Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Sellvia, which is a dropshipping supplier that offers fast US shipping and ready-to-sell products. But before we begin, make sure you check out the links in the description to explore Sellvia more and see how it can actually help your business. So first we need to understand what is Sellvia. So Sellvia is a dropshipping platform that actually provides a curated catalog of trending products, fast shipping from US warehouses, and an automated fulfillment system. It is basically designed to help dropshippers eliminate long delivery time and increase their customer satisfaction. So at first glance, you can just take a look at that this particular dropshipping store has been actually featured on very top websites. If I talk about the pros of it, you are going to get 1 to 3 day US shipping. So it provides faster delivery as compared to the traditional AliExpress suppliers. You will also find ready to sell products. So it is actually professionally optimized product pages that you are going to get that will boost your conversions. There is automated fulfillment as well, so orders are also processed and shipped seamlessly, and it will also give you a subscription based model. So it includes a product catalog, marketing materials, and store setup services. So if I talk about the cons, so the only con that I can actually explain to you is that it requires monthly fees. So unlike AliExpress, Sellvia operates on a paid subscription model, but with the link in the description you can get some perks and benefits and discounts. So for dropshippers targeting the US market, Sellvia is a game changer. It solves slow shipping issues and provides high quality products, and it also automates fulfillment, making it a powerful option for serious e-commerce entrepreneurs. So if you want to scale your dropshipping business, you can check out the link in the description and start with Sellvia today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.